Anong gusto mong sabihin sa committee?
Mr. Chair, medyo gulong-gulo po ako ngayon. Um, okay lang din po na makausap ko po muna yung lawyer ko po.
Sige, 10 seconds.
Opo, thank you po.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Sige, while
While we're
waiting,
waiting, yes.
waiting for Alice go. Yes, Congressman Adyong.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, since we're now discussing about possible grant of executive session to Alice Go, perhaps we can also we take this opportunity to ask the two resource persons that we have, specifically Ms. Cassie Ong, if she's also willing to request for an executive session, maybe we can also contemplate on that. So, Mr. Chair, may I ask,
Yeah.
Ms. Cassie Ong,
Please proceed.
would you like to avail of a executive session? This is your opportunity now, because we are open to possible grant of executive session. Should you want to share something that you know that you do not like to share it out in the open or in the public because of fear of your safety, maybe this is the time. Yes, you can consult your lawyer. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So, Alice, meron kang 2 minuto para sabihin sa amin kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin, as requested by Congressman Abante. Kung wala naman, okay lang din, so we can proceed with the last question of Congressman Pascual. Meron kang sasabihin? Wala.
Mr. Chair, as of the moment po, wala po ako naisip. Pero kanina po, regarding po doon sa question po ni Kong Paduano po, na kung bakit di po ako nagbe-bail po. Dahil po na rin na may contempt order din po ako sa Senate at sabay-sabay na lang po pag na-lift na po. Yun po. Sorry po.
Ay, pero dito hindi yan
Okay.
relief until such time that the committee report will be adopted in the plenary. Tanda mo po, until the 19th Congress will be closed.
So, you have a contempt order also from the Senate. And what was the decision as to your penalty? Anong sinabi nila na penalty mo?
Nakakulong din po ako ngayon sa PNP custodial po.
Pero did they say in the Senate when they cited you in contempt ay kukulong ka sa Senate o sa PNP Custodial Center?
Ang nag-issue po ng order ko po is galing po sa court. Opo.
Hindi, yes. Oh, yung kung saan ka ngayon, korte ang nagsabi niyan.
Opo.
Pero sabi mo, na-contempt ka rin sa Senado.
Opo.
Tama?
Kinontemptin po nila ako sa Senate.
So, anong sinabi ng Senado kung ano ang penalty kasama nung contempt order nila sa'yo? Anong penalty mo?
Wala pa naman po.
So wala pa
Opo.
silang sinight.
Wala-
So there
wala
was no motion as to where you will be, what penalty will that contempt order be imposed on you? Walang sinabi.
Detention lang po,
At sinabi,
Mr. Chair.
i-detain ka sa ka i-detain.
Mr. Chair, wait lang po. PNP? PNP po, Mr. Chair.
And that was the order of the Senate. Okay. Sige. The status quo for the moment because she's presently detained at the PNP Custodial Center.
Mr.
So,
So the decision of the Senate, Attorney, are you telling the truth that the status quo was the decision of the Senate?
Initially, they wanted
No,
to...
no, I am just asking you, is it correct? Yes or no lang po?
Yes, Your Honor. They want to maintain the status quo. In the
Okay.
meantime, she be detained at the PNP custodial
It's the
facility
Senate,
by the Senate.
by the Senate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the order of the court is what?
PNP custodial center. Your Honor.
PNP custodial din.
That's why they want. That's why the Senate wanted to maintain.
Anyway, I will ask the DOJ mamaya with regards to the case that was filed to
okay.
Cassandra
Sige.
Mr. Chairman.
Alice Go. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, last.
Last na to?
Yes, last na po.
Okay.
A while ago, I
Congressman
asked
Fernandez.
Ms. Alice Go, since executive session was not permitted by this body, to write in this piece of paper the names of those who help her. May I have the liberty or no? But these are all part of the corporations. They are not part of the corporations. But they use, you can use your mic, but they used to live here in this country as well.
Part of the corporation, pero wag na lang po muna i-reveal sa public.
They were a part of the corporation before.
Yeah, part of the, until now.
Until now. But they're not here anymore.
Not in the Philippines right now.
With this information, Mr. Chairman, I think it's imperative for us to look for these personalities as well. Since we haven't have the chance to have an executive session with Alice Go, I think this will help us as well, Mr. Chairman. If not, then so be it. So I made my my manifestation, Mr.
Okay,
Chairman. Thank you so much.
Salamat, Congressman Dan Fernandez. That was short and quick. So before we proceed with Kong M.M. Pascual, there was a pending question raised by Congressman Adyong to Cassie Ong. Kung si Cassie Ong ba ay gustong mag-avail ng executive session na kung saan ay isisiwalat mo kung sino ang nasa likod ng kumpanya nyo, sino ang financer nyo, sino ang mga taong nasa likod ng Lucky South 99. Yung ba ang gusto mong isiwalat?
Mr. Chair, I'm not closing the door for that naman po. Pero I want na i-consult yung tatlong lawyer ko muna before...
Tatlo ba lawyer mo?
Yes po.
Dami ha?
Hindi. Iisang law firm lang po, pero tatlo po
okay,
sila.
okay.
Opo, i-consult ko lang muna sila.
So, i-consult.
Before-
Kasi yung huling statement na ginawa nung abogado mo, sinasabi niya na mas gugustuhin mo pa raw makulong sa correctional kesa makulong ka dito o ma-detain ka dito sa house. Eh, nangangailangan kami ngayon ng kwarto sa mga posibleng ma-detain namin dito. So, wala kaming choice kundi pagbigyan yung iyong hiling. Dahil ang sabi ng abogado mo that my client would rather be detained in a correctional center rather than be humiliated in the Quadcom. Ikaw ba nagsabi nun o yung abogado mo?
Nung araw na sinabi ko po yun, Mr. Chair, na-stress po ako nung araw na yan.
Okay, kasi kami, nangangailangan kami ngayon ng kwarto. Eh, pag umalis ka dyan, magkakaroon na kami ng bakante, matutuwa na yung aming SecGen. Oo, so pagbibigyan ka namin sa hiling mo at hiling ng abogado mo. At we will address that and decide on that at the appropriate time, Your Honors, because until, before we adjourn or we suspend this hearing tonight, baka gusto mag-share ng information ni Cassie, pagbibigyan natin siya to stay in the House of Representatives detention facility. So, ngayon, Cassie, ang tanong sa iyo ni Congressman Adjong, meron ka bang importanteng mga impormasyon isisiwalat?
Mr. Chair, kausapin ko lang po yung lawyer ko.
10 seconds.
Okay. Thank you po.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, while waiting for Congressman Adjong.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Maybe later na lang po, pero I just want to put into record, Mr. Chair, the names that were written and was given to Chairman Dan Fernandez. I don't think that would be revealed today, no? But may I, since all of us naman have the right also to know these names, perhaps we can already, at this point in time, communicate with the Bureau of Immigration if they have travel history of these foreigners coming in and out of this country. Maybe later we can find out, Mr. Chair. Just to put that into record, baka makalimutan po.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, if I may, no?
Okay,
So
thank you,
we'll
Mr.
be doing that, no? But in confidence that
Yes,
she
I
has
know.
written
I
the two
understand.
names that was given to this representation. We'll be asking the help of the immigration on these people.
Yes, in
Para-
confidentiality
Yeah,
also, we can
of course.
relay this to the Bureau
Yeah, I
of
understand.
Immigration.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, so Cassie, anong decision mo?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko pa rin naman po kina-close yung door for that, pero gusto ko pa rin po talaga makonsult yung tatlo kong
O,
abogado.
sige. Dahil sabi mo, you're not closing your doors, tama? Sige, hanggang bago matapos tayo ngayong gabi, kailangan buksan mo yung pinto mo. Okay? Now, we proceed with Congressman Eming Pascual. Your last question, please.
Wala na akong tanong, Mr. Chair. Siguro, ano na lang, Mayor Alice, I'm sorry, but I believe what Congressman Paduano said, na imposible nga naman na 180,000 hindi ka magbe-bail. At kung ang payo sa iyo ng mga lawyer mo, hintayin yung iba pang kaso na darating, wag mo silang gamitin ang abogado, mali ang pinapayo nila sa iyo. Totoo yung sinabi ni Congressman Paduano na siguro mas conveniente ka, mas tiwala ka dun sa PNP Custodial Center ngayon. Alam mo, Mayor Alice, lagi ako nag-observe sa iyo. The way you talk, the way you smile, the way you answered questions here in Quadcom. Sinabi mo kanina na yun lang ang paraan mo para maipakita sa supporters sa family mo na okay ka. Pero, Mayor Alice, according to my observation, hindi yun lumalabas sa akin ngayon. Ang tingin ko, kaya ganun ka magsalita, ganun ka sumagot, ganun ang reaction mo palagi. Ang feeling ko ngayon, kaya mo kaming paikutin lahat dito. Feeling ko, kaya mong bayaran lahat ng mga opisyal dito sa Pilipinas. Feeling ko, hindi ka talaga magsasabing totoo. Kapag tinanong mo ko ngayon, hindi ikaw si Mayor Alice Guo. Para sa akin, ikaw ngayon si Guo Huaping 100% Chinese. Pero, mayroon pang pagkakataon para mabago yung pagtingin ko sa iyo na yan. Alam ko, mabuti kang tao. Alam ko, at the end of the day, magtitiwala ka din sa Quadcom, sasabihin mo kung sino yung totoo mga nasa likod dito. Then alam ko na alam niya yan. Yun lang, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Gua Hoping. Salamat.